Look at those jeans. Those quads. Come on, get my outfit.
That's how you look.
I'll go biker chick officially.
Badass. So that booty. There you go. Look cute, baby.
Badass little bike. Hey, that's some Dragon Ball Z representation.
I'm gonna rip those bearings off with all my truck bearings. That way, if it goes down, I don't crash. And I'll take this off. I got some stuff.
She's ignoring that. Madness, right? Madness. Complete. I'm so nervous. This is gonna be crazy. So we're gonna find out shortly.
Não, mas a secundição, né? Mas então, paguei uma perfeita, tiozão. O bagulho é livre, eles estão na bici.
They keep rolling in.
Dá pra fazer cueca de polícia.
It's just more motorcycles.
It's a pretty big group tonight. We got everyone tonight. We got the stunners, we got the Harley guys, we got the crowd truckers, we got the half crowd truckers. This is gonna be a fun night. I'm just gonna start off with that. But for real, with that being said, with a big ass ride like this, you gotta take it easy tonight. Keep your head on a swivel, pay attention, staggered column formation.
guys, so today it's the next morning after the bike ride last night. I was super scared, by the way, but it ended up being like a really fun time. So many bikes. It was just like gives you like this crazy, like, I don't know, just morale feeling. I don't know, it was just really nice. And going through the city with 100 bikes, it was really cool. But like I said, it's the next morning, and I used to watch this little boy named Spencer before quarantine happened, and the family reached out to me and asked me if I could watch him today. And of course, since I haven't seen him in almost 3.5 months, I jumped at the opportunity. Dang, it's hot. So today we are already out for a walk, and it's like 9 a.m. Okay, this is Spencer. And then we have a new addition, Mia, here, who's nuts. Mia, come here. Come here. Hey, Mia. Mia. Hey. So the family just got a new puppy during quarantine too. But little Spence and I and Mia are all going on a walk, enjoying the beautiful morning. Prettiest blue eyes on the planet. Very excited to be here this morning. Super hot though, so I'm looking a little mess. And yeah. I got something called the Sunset. What is it?
When I Met You in the Summer.
When I Met You in the Summer. Very fruity. We'll find out. We are at Bar Cocina. So pretty, so cute.
I don't know what it is, but it's good.
What did you get?
I don't know what it is, but it's also tequila. It's the recipes. It's so
Okay.
good.
And what did you get?
When I Met You in the Summer, the same thing.
Oh, the same one. And that's, she told me it was.
Yes.
Not last weekend, but the weekend before, I tried the best restaurant I've tried in a long time. And it was in
Okay, so I just left the Bar Cocina and I had a really hot guy pick me up.
It's small here.
Did you just say you look small? I don't even think that's possible. But this like hot dude came and picked me up, so I went with him. Scandalous.
One word.
I didn't like the food there though, so I didn't eat. So we stopped at Kitchen 17. Can't see it up there. But it's a vegan pizza place. Don't knock vegan pizza until you try it. This place is amazing. It's in Lakeview, and it's some of the best pizza. We got cheese
Should we get some
burger.
cheese? Oh, it's just burger pizza?
Cheeseburger pizza is what he requested.
Get some-
So.
The fries, potato fries.
Oh, they have sweet potato fries. They had a cookie pizza too.
Cookie pizza?
Not about it?
Sounds weird, I don't know. Might taste good.
It looks good to me. Red velvet cookie pizza. Might have to convince him on that one. We'll see. But gotta wait 20 minutes and. Okay, Kitchen 17. Cheeseburger pizza. Looks crazy. Rick obviously already dug in a little bit. We don't do pickles, so we're gonna take these off, I'm sure. But we shall see.
This is like potato pancake.
Potato crust?
Like, you know, like they do the potato pancake?
Mm-hmm. 1 to 10.
7.
Oh, it's not too bad. Vegan pizza.
Yeah.
All right, I want to try it. Okay, I'm gonna try this stuff now. So we ordered, well, I was supposed to order the thin crust. We like that better, but I messed up and didn't clarify. So we got stuck with their quote unquote pan pizza. So he said it was a 7 out of 10. I'm gonna try it and see what I think. I don't really like thick pizza that much, so kind of bummed, but I've had their pizza so many times and it's really good, so hopefully this is good too. Okay. It is decent. Okay. Their crust.
And, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is good, different. So,
What was the idea you had?
I don't know. It just surprised me, you know?
Good surprise?
Yeah. Not bad, way, just surprised.
Okay. Yeah, their crust is like really thick and dense and like fluffy, and then the bottom's like crispy. It's really good. I don't know. That's what he was meaning, like pancake or potato pancake, I think. But it's really good. I like it a lot. I think I would still get the thin crust instead, but I'd give it about 7.5 out of 10 too. So much better than the food at Bar Cocina. I'm sorry, but their drinks were really good. I don't even drink, but I had one today and I had one last time I went out with Myra too. Just because haven't drank in like a year, so tried a few of those. Did not like the food. I ordered something like yucca like puffs almost. No, just no. And then they ordered tacos and they didn't really like theirs either that much, so Bar Cocina's for atmosphere and drinks only. But this definitely makes up for it, so I'm gonna enjoy this. And that's it for me. So until next time, have a great week and stay safe.